Ever wondered where unmanaged incoming calls could lead your business? Missed calls, frustrated customers, lost opportunities, and maybe more if you know your business well enough. But there are ways to handle this, and you're probably using them already. Auto attendants to route calls across departments, IVR to attend callers with automated responses, and Virtual Receptionist ensures you never miss calls, even when away. Most businesses, including yours, rely on auto attendants. It's a lifesaver. No more long hold times or endless transfers. IVR automates responses without human intervention if you're in banking, telecom, or healthcare, where hotlines are critical. And if you're a key decision maker who can't miss calls but isn't always in the office. A virtual receptionist ensures your calls are answered and managed remotely, just as if you were still at work. What's the best choice? Each solution serves a different purpose, but what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could combine the best of all three? Now you can. Managing incoming calls is much simpler with KrispCall. The AI-powered modern telephony app is built for businesses in every industry. Traditional auto attendants might route calls, but they often require multiple numbers for multiple departments. With KrispCall, you can set up an auto attendant for your entire business using just a single number. And the incoming calls are routed to each department to be received exactly as you want. Not just that, what if your entire team is on office vacation or Christmas? Nobody is available to answer calls. IVR in KrispCall not only sets up automated voice responses for hotlines and toll-free numbers, you can also add separate responses for each attendant in the routed calls. And for virtually handling your calls remotely, KrispCall offers more. Watch this to learn more about using KrispCall's advanced VoIP features to streamline telephony for your entire remote operation. The best part? You get all three, IVR, Auto Attendant, and Virtual Receptionist, with KrispCall's Multilevel IVR in a single subscription. Setting it up is a breeze. In KrispCall's phone number settings, you can manage incoming calls with various strategies. The call menu, IVR, redirects high-volume calls to auto attendants, plays interactive voice responses, or even customizes the menu with a mix of call forwarding and IVR. And since it's a VoIP system, call attendants can connect with customers from any location, on any device, whether it's IVR, auto attendant, or a virtual receptionist. At some point, your business will need them all. And with KrispCall, you don't have to choose. You get everything in one place. Customize your call management in minutes and handle high-volume calls effortlessly. Visit KrispCall.com and get started today.